Twist that love, twist that love, twist.
Shot me. Kennington Avenue 5.
Warning
shots.
That warning shots coming out soon. Just hit me up and you'll get it.
Talk to him.
Do not try this at home, baby. Stunting's for professionals. The booth is my confessional, and I'm about to let you know. I'm the bomb, nigga. Yeah, I'm the next to blow. And I spit that holy water. Yeah, I got a special flow. And this goes out to all you brave niggas. I murder tracks. I got my own team of grave diggers. And I don't give a fuck what you say, nigga. You still talking? Get up out my way, nigga. Look, it was all about you. Now it's all about me, like a Filipino girl at her debut. And this is what I do. I was born to be a problem. You can ask my parents, nigga, they knew. Last name July, and then they added Ashley. So when you hear that, how could you look past me? These bitches wanna smash me. The diagnosis was tuberculosis. I spit so nasty. And I said that if I ever got my voice heard, I would give you hating niggas a few choice words. Diamond in a rough, nah, pearl in a oyster. I got a wet flow, nigga, you can feel my moisture. But I guess they just couldn't absorb me, so they turned their backs and they tried to ignore me. But now it's a different story, and I call them all CN Tower rappers, cause they got so many different stories.
If you feeling what you see, what you hear, then holla at me. Facebook or something.